Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video on menu planning for beginners. Right, so step one is make a list. So in a journal, a notebook, a whiteboard, blackboard, chalkboard, anything, make a list of your favorite recipes that you have and your family loves, and put it all down onto one list, which you can come back to later on. You can add to it if you want, if you forget anything, and this will be your core list of recipes and food that you love to eat at home. So this includes your breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, anything in between, juices, smoothies. So add everything onto that list. Step two, find a day that you can go and do your grocery shopping, whether you go to the shop or if you do it online. Find a time, like I might do mine on Saturday morning while I'm having a cup of tea and watching a cookery program. Just get it down on a date that you're going to definitely do it. Also, while you're doing that, do check your activities and events you have coming up for that week. So you might have like birthdays, or you might have like kids and parties or something like that, that on those days you know you won't have to cook anything, or you might be going out for dinner. So include that in your week ahead as well. Right, so step four is to write your meals out for the week. Now, go back to that list that you had of those favorites. You might want one of those for the week ahead, or you can just put down, and every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, write down what you think you might cook. You don't have to cook every single day. If you're going to get takeout on a Friday, on a Saturday, that's fine. Just write it down so you know. So when I choose recipes that I make during the week, I tend to find things that maybe I can make a batch dish, or like a big dish of something that can be eaten for leftovers the next day, or even for lunch, are kept in the fridge or in the freezer. So anything like that you can make a big pot of one day that will feed you for a day after for your lunch. That is a good idea. Right, so when you have your list for the week, then you break it down even further to, like, say, Thai green chicken curry. Write down exactly what you need for that. Don't forget to check your larder or check your fridge and see what you already have. If you have the spices, you don't need to double buy and that, and it saves you money. And there you go, there you have it. They're my tips for menu planning for the week. This quick video today, I hope those helped you. Do let me know in the comments below if you guys do menu plan already, and if it just helps to make your life and your week easier. Thanks for watching this, guys, and I will see you again soon. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks.